Welcome back to Module 4. I'm Elise Naramore, your guide through this journey. In the last module, we generated a list of values gleaned from your own practice, as well as external sources. If you need to refresh your memory, please pause now to read over your values list. The goal for this module is to make a comprehensive, concise list of outcomes. What is the difference between the values list and outcomes? The list of what you value probably is more of a wish list of behaviors and objective mixed together. These are the intended results or consequences of instruction. Outcomes are achieved results of what was learned, the evidence that learning actually took place. The easiest way to transform your values list into outcomes is to simply change the wording. Every statement should begin with "I can." Why I can? Because these are for the students, so it should be in language that they can relate to, and it should be positive, as in what can they actually do? And it should be concrete and measurable, since it's evidence that learning took place. Here's an example from a K through 2 grade level. Distinguish between opinions and evidence in one's own explanations. Change this to, I can write an explanation. I can identify whether my explanation is opinion or evidence. I can explain the difference between opinion and evidence. Notice that you may need to use several shorter or simpler sentences to replace the complexity of curricula designed for teachers to read and use. At the high school level, the national curriculum originally states, construct, use, and/or present an oral and written argument or counter-arguments based on data and evidence. I would change that to, I can present a claim based on the most sophisticated evidence from my analysis and tie it convincingly to relevant theory. Here's what I would suggest that you do. First, if you typed your list, please make a duplicate, saving it as outcomes. If you hand wrote the list, you may want to begin typing at this point. You will go through each statement in your values list and change your original standard or value to an I can statement. As usual, do not delete items from your list. Just change each item on your list to an I can statement, while remembering to keep the focus on what the students can do, make language age appropriate for your students, remove all the technical language, have the outcome be clearly observable and measurable. So just go through and do this line by line without being overly critical. We will do the editing next. When you're done, move on to the next video.